This orchard is so you can see, a lot of times people ask, when will I get fruit on a tree? Well, this is, great fruit. This is the second year of a pretty full crop here on this Bonita peach tree. Peach trees and nectarine trees work fantastically here, so stone fruits work really well. If you're in East County, stone fruits are an excellent choice. They thrive with a little bit of chill, but there are also a lot of low chill varieties that will work for you right at the coast. So here's a good example of a tree that has about the right amount of fruit on it. So the fruit has been thinned on this tree, so that you can see that there's, and I have been harvesting a few fruits here, but you've got, 2 or maybe 3 fruits per branch only. And that will allow the fruit to get big, really flavorful, color up, and be really sweet and juicy. If you leave too many fruits, then you have a lot of small fruits that don't taste quite as good.
Are any of these ripe?
Yeah, not quite. Yeah, they're really close. So you just go around and you check, you give them a little pinch. So this one's reasonably close here. So I just pulled this one off. So with the peaches, so imagine, a peach that comes off your tree in your backyard. You pick it and you maybe, at this point I would probably let it ripen for maybe 2 or 3 days on my countertop. But totally different than what you find in the store. In the store it's been picked, way ahead of its prime, but as you can see, I'm cutting it here and, some of the juice is coming out just on my hand. And you can see that, this is a nice juicy peach. This one's actually a really good one. And this one is really sweet and tasty. So this is Bonita peach. There's a lot of good peaches around, but this is why I got into growing my own backyard fruit. Is, the taste far surpasses anything that I can find in the supermarket. Again, the criteria for a supermarket fruit is that it ships well, it looks good, but you can't taste it before you buy it. So, growing your own fruit in your backyard or your front yard, it's beneficial for so many things, but, pure and simple taste.